Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. The for loop is a powerful and versatile construct in Python for iterating over sequences like lists, tuples, strings, and other iterable objects. However, there are situations where you may need both the value and the index of an element during iteration. In this tutorial, we'll explore different ways to achieve this using various techniques and examples. Let's start with a simple for loop that iterates over a list of numbers. This will output. To access both the value and index of each element, you can use the enumerate function. It returns both the index and the value during iteration. Output. Another approach is to use the range function to generate indices and access the elements using those indices. Output is the same as the enumerate example. If you have two lists and want to iterate over them simultaneously with their indices, you can use the zip function. Output. In this tutorial, we covered different methods to iterate over elements with their indices using a for loop in Python. Whether you prefer the simplicity of enumerate, the title, Python for loop with index, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. The for loop is a fundamental construct in Python for iterating over sequences like lists, tuples, strings, and other iterable objects. While the basic for loop is straightforward, sometimes you may need to access both the elements and their corresponding indices during iteration. In this tutorial, we'll explore various ways to achieve this using Python. The enumerate function returns both the index and the value of each item in the iterable. The zip function can be combined with range to iterate over two sequences simultaneously. You can specify a start value for the index when using enumerate. A concise way to print both index and value using an F string. Conclusion. These methods provide different ways to iterate over sequences in Python while also accessing the corresponding indices. Choose the one that best fits your needs and coding style. Understanding these techniques will enhance your ability to work with loops and indices in Python. ChatGPT